And what it does, it just copies the floppies, the information on up to the, what they call it? The flux level, the bit by bit on the magnetic data. And I just did a thing right now on this is a protected disk, one-on-one. I put it in here, and it just did, I can put it again, but you know, it just did it, and it's very nice because it shows you a graphic representation of the floppy. And of course, if you will save it, you will analyze it, and then you will be able to save it and copy it. You can then use it in an emulator like this, the W drive. It reads WAS files that are the name of the files that it creates. So it's a fully protected, it's a full image with the protection and everything inside included. And later you're going to be able to write it back. But right now you cannot, because the protection schemes were a little bit different, and sometimes you need a special drive to write those disks. So right now they haven't been able to do for all of it. The beauty of this is that you have, for preservation, is excellent, because you can actually preserve this, send it to somebody that can crack it actually, you know, the crackers that, you know, deprotect them, and that guy deprotects it and creates a writable image of the games. So this is what it is, and it works in 5 1/4 and 3 1/2. You just gotta disconnect and reconnect. It has, the drive has inside a little thing that reads the data. So you put a magnet over there, and a little thing that recognizes the magnet, so it can calibrate the drive. And what you can do is you can come over here and watch the sync. And the sync sensor should be in there, but I don't remember how, but I have to test it. But anyway, it will recognize the sync sensor. Let's read this so you can see how it works. But it takes like a minute or two. And you say image this, and it will just drive. It's a USB connection to this.
So what's inside of that box?
Connects there. This is some hardware that this guy did. I think it's called based in an Arduino, and his own code. And most of the code is done actually in the program, and that's what he's doing. You know, he's updating every time, and he just updated like a week ago. So it keeps getting better and better. And what's happening is that a lot of people bought these things, and they have a lot of a collection of original software that a lot of people have that they haven't. You know, some things are rare, and they haven't been able to back it up because they need special hardware to do that. And now you can do that, and they're sending out to the archive.org. So actually, they're sharing it with everybody.